Hey there, creative minds. Are you trying to use Photoshop but currently unable to access Photoshop, or you don't have the money to pay for Photoshop right now? Well, today I have the best alternative for you. It looks completely as Photoshop. So you're going to go to the link in the description. So photopea.com, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it on your browser. Going to click on OK. So this is the alternative. It's called Photopea. So this is exactly as Photoshop. I'm gonna try and see, and it's completely free. So you're gonna try and see a new project just so that I can show you how it looks. So let's say you're creating a thumbnail, 1920 by 1080. Yeah, so create, and it already has template, like, so you're gonna click on create, and look, everything looks just like Photoshop, and it works just the same as Photoshop. Even zooming is the same. So photopea.com. So I'm gonna try and use this for creating the thumbnail for this video. So if you clicked on this video, the thumbnail I created with this. So yeah, that's it for me. I hope you have learned something new. I hope you enjoy. You're gonna try and use this, and tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. Bye.
Perfect.